Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up or enable custom text shortcuts on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select underneath where it says system. Go ahead and select the system tile. And now that we're on this page, select the keyboard tile. And then under keyboard, select physical keyboard. Underneath options, keyboard shortcuts, show list of shortcuts. Go ahead and select that. And you can modify your settings or however you want by clicking on it on here. And then as you're tapping your on-screen keyboard, you can then adjust what shortcuts you want to open up these certain features or actions here. And then once you're done, you would select done. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.